dhi mbele ni tim mar Gor Mahia kawuono no bagne gi bodha mar atipo gi kambi moro mar go punda kaluwore gi loch margi mar lig. Nyasi no kocha mar Gor Jonathan McKinstry no wacho ni piem okosebedo negi mayot ni mar negi chako season e kinde mane oket nigi okum mar nyiewo jotugo. Jatugo Benson Omala bende nopuoyo johera mag club no kuom sir mane ogimiyogi. Kambi no nomiyo Gor Mahia siling milion 3.6.
It was always possible. It wasn't necessarily the most likely outcome, given where we'd come from at the very start of the season. 7, 8 players in training some days, a real challenge in the summer with some off-field issues, a lack of a sponsor and difficult moment at the start of the season, possibly the most difficult that the club had been in the last 20 years. So for us, this season was really about building, taking a young team under a transfer ban, 18 outfield players, and looking to build them, give them confidence, so that we would have a team for the medium to long term.
I think it has been a wonderful season for me, and I think for the team too, because it's been a while since we last won the league, and I think we've made our fans proud this year. Sometimes we've lost some matches, but they've never left coming to the stadiums. But I think I just want to say thank you, and thank you for the support, and I think we have rewarded them with this trophy, and they have something to celebrate.